titled Lose Belly Fat in 10 Days, Cinnamon and Lemon Mixture. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share an incredible natural remedy that can help you lose belly fat in just 10 days. This magical mixture includes cinnamon and lemon, two powerful ingredients that work wonders for weight loss. So without further ado, let's get started. Host, are you tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Well, look no further. This simple and affordable remedy can help you achieve the results you've been dreaming of. Let's dive into what makes this cinnamon and lemon mixture so effective. Point 1. Cinnamon's benefits. Host, first let's talk about cinnamon. Not only does it add a delicious flavor to your meals, but it also has some extraordinary health benefits. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it easier for our body to break down and store fat. It also boosts our metabolism, aiding in the burning of calories and fat cells. Point 2. Lemon's benefits. Host, now let's move on to the incredible benefits of lemon. Lemon is a natural detoxifier that cleanses our body, removing toxins and aiding in digestion. The high vitamin C content in lemons boosts the immune system while helping to break down fat cells. So, by incorporating lemon into our cinnamon mixture, we can enhance its fat-burning properties. Recipe and usage. Host, so how do we make and use this amazing mixture? It's simple. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, juice from half a lemon, 1 cup of warm water. Host, start by mixing the cinnamon powder and lemon juice together in a cup. Then, add the warm water and stir well until all the ingredients are combined. It's important to note that lemon juice should be fresh and not from concentrate for maximum effectiveness. Host, now all you need to do is drink this mixture once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also consume it before one of your main meals during the day. Consistency is key, so make sure to follow this routine for 10 consecutive days to see noticeable results. Tips. Host, remember, while this cinnamon and lemon mixture can be beneficial for weight loss, it's essential to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise, maintain a balanced diet, and stay hydrated throughout the day for optimal results. Conclusion. Host, wrapping up, losing belly fat doesn't have to be a daunting challenge. With the help of this cinnamon and lemon mixture, you can achieve your goals in just 10 days. Stay committed and you'll be amazed by the results. Host, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. The duration of exercise needed to see results can vary depending on various factors such as your current fitness level, intensity of the workouts, and your specific goals. However, as a general guideline, it is recommended to engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. If your goal is weight loss, you may need to increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. Adding strength training exercises to your routine can also be beneficial, as it helps build muscle and boosts metabolism. Remember to start gradually and listen to your body to prevent injuries. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. It's important to find a routine that you can stick to and make exercise a part of your regular schedule. Additionally, incorporating other healthy habits like maintaining a balanced diet and getting enough sleep will further support your fitness journey. Finally, consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer for personalized guidance based on your specific needs and goals. Staying motivated to exercise regularly can be challenging, but there are several strategies that can help. 1. Set specific goals. Establish clear and attainable goals to work toward. This can provide you with a sense of purpose and direction. 2. Find activities you enjoy. Choose exercises and activities that you genuinely enjoy. If you find something fun and engaging, you'll be more likely to stick with it. 3. Create a routine. Schedule regular exercise sessions into your week and treat them as non-negotiable appointments. Making it a habit will increase the likelihood of sticking to it. 4. Mix it up. Variety can help keep things interesting. Try different types of workouts, explore new classes or activities, or incorporate outdoor exercises to keep your routine fresh. 5. Find a workout buddy or join a group. Exercising with others can offer accountability, support, and make workouts more enjoyable. You can join a sports team, fitness class, or find a workout partner with similar goals. 6. Track your progress. Keep a record of your workouts or use a fitness tracking app to monitor your progress over time. Seeing improvements and milestones reached can boost motivation. 7. Reward yourself. Set up rewards for reaching your exercise goals. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a massage or a new workout outfit, as a way to celebrate your achievements. 8. Stay positive and self-compassionate. Remember that everyone has ups and downs in their fitness journey. Be patient with yourself. Focus on the positive changes you are making. And don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a workout or have a setback. 9. Find inspiration. Follow fitness influencers, read inspiring stories, or listen to motivational podcasts to stay inspired and motivated. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and rest when needed. Pushing too hard or overtraining can lead to burnout or injuries. Incorporating stretches into your exercise routine is a great way to improve flexibility, prevent injuries, and promote overall mobility. Here are a few simple stretches you can try. 1. Quadriceps stretch. Stand tall and bring one foot up towards your glutes, grasping it with your hand. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. 2. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg extended and the other bent. Reach forward towards your foot, keeping your back straight. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. 3. Chest stretch. Stand near a wall or door frame and place your arm against it at a 90-degree angle. Gently press your body forward until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. 4. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee while placing the other foot in front, creating a lunge position. Slightly lean forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. Triceps stretch. Extend one arm overhead and bend it so that your hand reaches towards the opposite shoulder blade. Use your other hand to gently press the elbow further into the stretch. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. 6. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall and place your hands against it. Step one foot back, keeping it straight, and press your heel into the ground to stretch your calf muscle. Hold for 15-30 seconds on each side. Remember to always warm up your body with some light cardio before stretching. Stretching should be done gently without any pain, and if you feel any discomfort, ease off the stretch. It's also important to breathe and relax while stretching to allow your muscles to release tension.